Okay, so today we collected some family and friends and we will go on a hike. Currently at our neighbor's house. He's running the tractor, doing all the crops. It's a very long hike. It will take approximately like 25 minutes. Get me on this, damn it. So people go up to this mountain like all the time and they think they're cool, but we're cooler because we're way cooler because we got this private road. This is only for us. So can own this mountain. So we have a little bit more to go. Interesting facts. So you can see this stone here. There's like scratches in the stone. Like here. That's actually from the ice age when the big ice covered like 1 kilometer of all this land. We finally reached the top. We're checking out these old fire systems they used for when it was war coming. They lit the tower on fire and someone far away could see the fire and lit their fire and stuff. If you've seen Lord of the Rings, you know what I mean. It's actually quite cool that it's still here. Oh, so here it is. Oh. And you can also see the view from here. It's amazing. We will go further to a viewpoint, and from there the view is even better. You can see like this whole panoramic view of the mountains and the river. It's so cool. Okay, so this shit was about to burn, but apparently it did not burn. Okay, let's go to the viewpoint. And bam, we're here, yo.